हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू वेल्थ एक्सेस। और स्वागत है आपका इस म्यूचुअल फंड की नई सीरीज में। आज हम देखेंगे पार्ट 3 और पार्ट 2 हमने ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर चुके हैं। तो फिर जितने भी लोगों को उसमें हेल्प हुई है तो फिर प्लीज़ लाइक और शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो फिर पार्ट 3 देखते हैं आज। और जितने भी लोगों को मतलब कोई क्वेरी वगैरह रहेगी तो आप मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे पूछ सकते हैं। मैं ज़रूर रिप्लाई करूँगा, थोड़ा लेट मगर रिप्लाई ज़रूर करूँगा, ठीक है। फिर देखते हैं आज क्वेश्चन 1 शुरू करते हैं। Market capitalization of a company is calculated by manipulating the number of outstanding shares by space. The answer is current market value of each share. So question 2. An investor in a closed-ended mutual fund can get his or her money back by selling his or her units. That is the answer on a stock exchange where the fund is listed. Question 3. A mutual fund is owned by space, and the answer is all its investors. Question 4. Load cannot be received. Answer is from the fund's distribution agent. Question 5. Some close-ended mutual funds, some close-ended funds are quoted at a discount to their NAV because the answer is investors do not expect the current NAV to be sustained in future. Question 6. Debt funds target space. Protection of principal. Question 7. The most appropriate measure of returns for a scheme in existence for several years is space, that is CAGR. Question 8. Assured return or guaranteed monthly income plans are essentially, answer is debt or income funds. Question 9. In space, buys the impact of recent events on decision making can be very strong, and investors tend to extrapolate the event into the future and expect a repeat. The answer is recency bias. Question 10. Allotment formalities need to be finalized within space days. Space days means space, this space, okay, not space days. Within space days of closure of NFO. The answer is 5. Within 5 days. Question 11. Investors' KYC details are stored in the server of space. The answer is KRA. Question 11. Which of the following is truly international asset class? The answer is gold. Question 13. What is the mark to market? And the answer is मार्क टू मार्केट। ये जो क्वेश्चन है तो ये पे इक्विटी डेरिवेटिव्स में भी आता है, ठीक है। तो फिर ये तो मार्केट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन जनरल मतलब सभी में आता है, करेंसी डेरिवेटिव्स, इक्विटी डेरिवेटिव्स और म्यूचुअल फंड्स। So इसका आंसर, the process of valuing each security of the scheme at current market is called mark to market. Question 14. How exit load is calculated? Answer is NAV repurchases. Question 15. The size of a fund has no bearing on its performance. The answer is false. So this statement is false. Question 16. Which of the following are self-regulatory organizations? The answer is AMFI. ये मैं इतनी स्पीड से पढ़ रहा हूँ, आप नोट नहीं कर पाएंगे तो फिर आप पॉज कर करके इसको नोट कर सकते। अगर स्लोली स्लोली मैं पढ़ूंगा ना तो फिर वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी ये, और ज़्यादा लंबी वीडियो तो फिर कोई देख के लंबी करके स्क्रॉल कर देता है। सो ठीक है, पॉज कर करके आप नोट कर सकते हैं इसको। सो क्वेश्चन 17. ट्रेन और रेशियो यूजेज स्पेस. द आंसर इज बेटा. Question 18. Trail commission are linked to valuation of the portfolio in the market value. State true or false. So this statement is again false. Question 19. Trail commission is paid by AMC on quarterly basis. State true or false. This is true. Question 20. Application form is attached to space. The answer is KIM. Next question 21. Just a minute. Next question 21. Which of the following schemes are exempt from paying DDT? The answer is equity fund. Question 22. Is the offer document need to be filled with SEBI? The answer is true. Yes, the offer document need to be filled with SEBI. Question 23. NFO other than ELSS can be open for maximum of space 15 days. 24. At what time NAV is updates daily on website. NAV is updated daily on website. The answer is 9 p.m. in case of all schemes and 10 p.m. in case of only fund of funds scheme. Question 25. Appointment of the AMC can be terminated by whom? The answer is by 75% of unit holder or majority of trustees. Question 26. In case of breach or violation of code of conduct by any intermediary like brokers, agents, banks engaged in selling of mutual fund, what sequence of steps taken by AMFI? The answer is write a letter to intermediary for explanation within 3 weeks. In case explanation not received or not satisfactory, AMFI issues warning letter. If there is second violation, then registration the broker or intermediary will be cancelled. Registration of a broker will be or intermediary will be cancelled. Okay. Question 27. Unit of space must be listed on the stock exchange. Closed-ended funds. Question 28. When a scheme is first made available for investment, what it is called? It is called NFO. Question 29. Day-to-day management of the scheme is handled by whom? Answer is asset management company. Question 30. Objective of hybrid funds. The answer is protection of investments along with capital appreciation. Question 31. Trust deed is executed between whom? Sponsor and trustee. Question 32. Who manages the mutual fund? The answer is fund manager. Question 33. Which of the following organization is the mutual fund market regulator? The answer is SEBI. Question 34. Space is the technique of estimating or determining the fair price or value of property such as a building, a factory, or the engineering structure of various types. The answer is valuation. Valuation is the technique of estimating or determining the fair price or value of property such as a building, a factory, other engineering structure of various types. Question 35. Direct investment in stock market can be better option than investing through mutual funds if the investor space. Answer is has large capital knowledge and resources for research. क्वेश्चन 36 तो इसका 35 का देखो अगर लार्ज कैपिटल है नॉलेज है और रिसोर्सेज है रिसर्च के लिए तब ये बेटर ऑप्शन रहेगा डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट इन स्टॉक मार्केट के लिए नहीं यहाँ तो कुछ लोग यार वैसे ही मतलब नॉलेज नहीं मतलब सीखना नहीं चाहते कुछ नहीं बस भी कहीं से भी पैसे लेके आते इंटरेस्ट के साथ और डुबा देते स्टॉक मार्केट में और फिर स्टॉक मार्केट बदनाम जुआ. Next question 36. The given statement is true or false. Once a financial advisor works out ideal asset allocation, it can be used for all investors whom he or she advises. State true or false. The answer is false. Question 37. As compared to fund with fluctuating total returns, a fund with stable positive earnings space. Answer is less risky. Question 38. To satisfy a young investor's need for growth, a greater proportion of investment should be advised in space equity growth funds. Question 39. Which of the following is not an advantage of mutual fund investment over direct investment? Answer is guaranteed returns. Question 40. Financial planning is primarily tax planning. True or false? The answer is false. Question 41. Volatility of an equity fund's portfolio is independent of the space. The answer is number of investors in the scheme. Question 42. Which of the following accounts fetch the highest rate of interest? The answer is FD. FD is risk-free and highest return of interest. Which of the following? Okay. So question 43. A criticism of rupee cost averaging is. Answer is it does not tell you when to buy, sell, or switch from one scheme to another. Question 44. SEBI does not approve or disapprove of documents. It gives its observations. True or false? This statement is true. Question 45. When comparing performance of two funds, the following need not be similar. The answer is fund managers. Fund managers cannot be similar. Question 46. When comparing performance of two funds, the following need not be similar. ये तो हो गया यार. Question 46. The choice of appropriate benchmark for evaluating a fund's performance depends on. The answer is the investment objective of the fund. Question 47. A diversified equity is one which the answer is invest in stocks across various sectors. Question 48. The biggest advantage of investment in gold is the answer is hedge against inflation. Next question 49. Transaction costs include space. The answer is all expenses related to trading. Last question 50. One of the most effective ways to invest through mutual funds is to space. The answer is develop a model portfolio. So this was the third part of our 50 questions. Hope you will learn a lot and it will help you a lot. So our next series is ready. So I will be recording this one. So like, share and subscribe. This only I can tell you. Please support us. So thank you so much guys.